Sweet Jamaica, man, island.
This is the banana, the sucker from when that I should have taken out of this bucket from the moment this banana that is no longer shoot and produced. For those of you who don't know, let me take you to a clip of me harvesting the banana from this 5-gallon bucket. It was such a joyous moment.
Sweet Jamaica, man, island.
Alright, so that is the bucket that I'm going to put it in. Another 5-gallon bucket. So I'm trying to carry on the legacy of this grandmother banana that is no longer. So this one is its offspring. I should have taken it out long time ago. I'm just going to see how best I can get it out. Yeah, I'm going to do away with this bucket. For those who don't know, actually burst out right there because I had not just this banana in there, but that one over there, which I'll give you a close-up soon. It was right here and it grew until it burst open the container right there. So both of them were inside there. So this one grew while this one was producing, and after I harvested it, it just continued to grow in the corner right there. So I'm going to put it properly in this bucket. You don't need land and you don't need a big container to go use some banana. You can use a small bucket like this 5-gallon bucket. So this variety is a dwarf roast mission variety. So if you want to have bananas for days and weeks and months and years, now is the time to start planting them now, right? So you can get several buckets and plant several bananas as you wish. Look at my neighbor's banana hanging over. Should I claim it? It's over the fence. Should I claim it? Not at all. We don't live like that. We are one set of loving people. We don't need to live like that. I'm pretty sure I will get from it, as usual. This one has been doing very well. It has 2 sucker inside there. This one is making nice progress over here. And this little one is fighting its way. This one right here doing its thing, carrying on the legacy of banana in 5-gallon buckets. See, it has a sucker right here, looking good. And this is a twin sucker. This looks like a twin sucker. Let's see when they grow. My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet Jamaica.
Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Of course, I appreciate you all, my new gardening family. Hippie hooray, my faithfulers. Thank you all so much, and God bless you all. So my gardening family, I'm doing a voiceover right here. I'm not sure what happened with my mic. So I'm showing you here that I am getting brave because I sat down and I did a check for any lizards before I sat down. But I need to look right now because I'm going closer and I don't want any lizards to jump on me. I am still traumatized by the lizards that jumped on me the other day. Alright, so I am just chopping it out right here. Still looking for lizards, but yeah, it gets better. And while I'm chopping, I start to smell this foul scent. I mean, inside the banana, it is, very moist. Well, liquid is inside. But the smell, I was like, what? Really, it smell like that? So I went in again and I double checked and I was like, woo, stink man. Anyway, so I proceed to, you know, chop and to try to get this banana tree out of this bucket. Alright, so while you're there watching, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet done so, and also turn on your post notification bell so that each time I upload, you'll be notified. I tend to start posting every other day by the help of God. If you notice, well, some of you would have noticed. All right, so yeah. So from time to time, you will see me, jumping and hitting my hand and doing all sort of something because there are a lot of ants in the container. I don't know why so many ants came around in this particular container. I was like, what? I'm going to show you the liquid inside this banana tree. How liquidy it is. But it smells so bad. I think maybe because it was rotten though. Ants. Ants, ants, ants. Can you believe that my neighbor just gave me one bucket of mangoes right here? I was just telling you that I don't need to capture the banana because we live good. I was saying, God, look at you right in this video. You caused me to confirm this. Look at that. One bucket. No, I want to stop right here now because I want to eat some mangoes. So, yeah, I don't have to capture the banana because I'm going to get just like that. No, I fling down the poor banana right here because I thought it was a lizard. But when I looked closely, I realized that it was a piece of root. But the way the thing fly out, I was like, what? was only a piece of root. So, well, I didn't know until I knew. So, prevention better than cure. Okay, this one. Alright. So this bucket already has holes inside of there. I think I have one in the middle, two on one side, two on the other. So 5 holes in total. And inside here, this is alright, so right there I was just telling you that I have holes inside the bucket already. This was a used bucket. I have 1 hole in the middle and 2 on each side. So that's 5 holes inside this 5 gallon bucket. Now what I have inside here for fertilizer is horse manure. So I have some horse manure in there already. This is a soil that I'm reusing that I would have had kitchen scraps broken down into already. So I just buried some horse manure and I have a layer of mulch on top, and that is horse manure in sawdust. Not a lot of horse manure, just little remnants there. That is the mulch you're seeing right there. So I was just telling you that I am shifting the mulch aside and dig the hole in the middle and just have the banana go in, and I will continue to use my liquid fertilizer that I make from kitchen scraps inside this bucket to fertilize, and from time to time I will add some horse manure. So yeah, after putting it in the bucket, I give it a good soak, as you can see right there, and I will continue to keep it moist, not soaking wet for the time being, seeing that I just transplanted it. You know, do my thing and just take care of it. So I'm telling you to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so. Alright, so yeah, right here, I'll be leaving you, and thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.